Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Klipsch Cinema 1200 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it, this is going to delete the Bluetooth pairing, the Wi-Fi pairing history, connection history, and also any paired remotes and everything like that will also be removed and need to be reconnected to the soundbar. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if this soundbar is not working for any reason, if it's not connecting to your Bluetooth device, if it's not syncing or pairing with the Wi-Fi or any other kind of other device. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. Also, if for whatever reason you just want to delete everything off of it, all of the network information, all of the Bluetooth pairing history, basically, so you can set this up basically like it's new coming out of the box, this will do that. All we need to do is just come over here on the sound bar and find the power button and the source button that's right next to it. And we're just going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. After that, the device will reset and the display will go back to the volume display, showing that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and set this soundbar up like a brand new soundbar.